single day. But you are the one that has to take action. I can't feed you. I can't put weights in your hands. I can't put your pants on. I can't put your sports bra on. You have to be a big girl and do that all by yourself, right? So if you need more accountability, first you have to tell me what you think that is. And second, this is your accountability. I am here at the same time every single day. So it's your responsibility to be here with me every single day. And for those of you on replay, your responsibility is to do it on replay, right? Just like the gym doors are open for you, but you have to walk through them, and then you have to go to the machine and get on it and do it. No one can do that for you. No one can do that for you, right? There's a mindset book in the guide. If you're not using that, and you've been in the group for how long, then how could you ever change your mindset if you're not using the tools that are available to you? Does that make sense? Keep going. You know what I mean? There's a goal-setting workbook. If your goal is to lose, whatever, 5 pounds a month, 10 pounds a month, 1 pound a week, then you got to write that down in the goal-setting workbook. You have to create a goal. Pause. The hardest thing to do with losing weight is taking action with the program. There's Weight Watchers, there's the gym, there's Jenny Craig, there's Nutrisystem. There are so many programs, and the only reason they all failed for you and me is because I and you did not do them. Or we didn't do them long enough. 20 jumping jacks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. I mean, I even count for you guys, right? You don't even have to count if you don't want to. You don't even have to look up how to work out. All you have to do is hit play. That's it. You hit play and follow along. One more step. Get some water. I mean, it's like your children. You make your children read. You make your children do math. You make your children get dressed. I think you would agree with me. The most annoying part of being a mom for me is that my kids are 8 and 5, and I still have to dress my children. Like, dude, it's been 5 years. It's been 8 years. Why do I still have to tell you to get dressed? Like, you should know to get dressed and brush your teeth by now. It's been 8 years. This is the same thing. You have to take accountability for yourself. No one's going to do that for you, right? No one is going to do that for you because you are no longer a child. And I know you're frustrated telling your kids to brush their teeth every single day. And this is the same thing. Not that I'm frustrated. I'm definitely not frustrated. So please do not take this as a venting, frustrating conversation right now. I'm just giving you a speech because this just works. The more I say it, just like telling the kid, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Eventually the kid will brush his teeth. This is the same thing. Work out, work out, work out, work out. Eat your chicken, eat your chicken, eat your chicken, eat your chicken. Eat the chicken, eat the fish. Do not add sausage. Do not add, I forgot. Don't add beans into the meal plan. Like, you have to just eat from the list until your mind clicks, until you start seeing weight loss every week. You should be losing a pound a week. every week you should be losing a pound. If you're not losing a pound every single week, you are not doing the program. You are somewhere hiding in the closet, eating, you're going through drive-through eating. I mean, you're adding things. I don't know what you're doing. I'm just completely guessing because I can't see you. I'm just thinking of, you know, regular people. Why is this happening? Because we, and I used to do this too, I'm not gonna tell you I didn't. We are on autopilot. Moms live in autopilot life. I do not need to tell you how to drive to school. I don't need to tell you how to, let's do 10 more. Brush your teeth, right, 10 more, 10. I don't have to tell you anything. The things that you do on your own, you guys do that on your own. That is what I consider autopilot because you're just already used to it. So it is a mindless thing in our head. Oh my God, this is burning. All right, 2, and 1, right? All right, good. Everything that you do in your life is mindless. And I did it too, okay? Mindless. In order for me to do the Eat Your Way to Fit, I legit looked at that piece of paper every single day and I was scared to SHIT to follow it. But you know what? I had a coach, I paid him, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it and see what happens. And then I weighed in that first Friday and I was the exact same weight as I was on Monday. And I was like, oh wow, that's kind of cool. That's so weird. I ate rice all week and I didn't gain a single pound. Right? So at some point you have to like realize your mind and get out of the autopilot and create a mindful life with your fitness and food, if this is only for people who want to see a body change. If you only just want to be better and exercise, then this conversation is not for you. If you just want to be better than you were a month ago and you want to follow the plan 10% of the time, you follow it 10% of the time. If you don't want to follow the plan at all, but you just want to work out, then you have to pick something, because you're here with me, you signed up, you joined. Now you have to figure out what is that for you to pick that one thing, and you wrap your brain around that one thing. You guys know I'm Russian. English is challenging for me. Well, not like it used to be, but with my kids, to teach my kid reading, yeah, okay, no. So I picked math because I know math, and I focus with my kid on math. He's a horrible reader, but he's advanced math because that's all I know. And so I drove him to do math. And I drilled that one thing into him that I know how to do. You have to find that one thing for you and drill that into your head. Every single day, I'm gonna eat eggs. I'm gonna eat eggs. I'm gonna eat eggs. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be eggs, I'm just giving you an example. And you smash that one goal until it becomes engraved and it feeds into your autopilot life. That now you have eggs for breakfast. Whatever it is, you have to pick that one thing. We all know who we all are. You have to start seeing who you are. Where are you? Where do you want to be? And are you happy with your progress? You know what I'm saying? Like that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed your workout. Let's do a quick stretch. And 5. Quick stretch your legs. I hope this makes sense. I hope the speech helps. All I seriously want for every single person who joins me and works out with me is to be happy about themselves. Because I was unhappy. I'm gonna start crying. I was unhappy for 23 years with myself and with my body. And I personally was depressed, so every time I talk about myself because of where I was for so long and for so many years. And I finally feel that freedom, and it really feels amazing, to be honest with you. And so I seriously legit want for everyone else is to feel that same freedom and happiness about themselves. And I don't know what that is for you because I don't live with you, I'm not related to you, you're not my mom, you're not my sister, you're not, right? You're a friend, you're a partner, but if you're not talking to me, I don't know. And so I'm just talking about myself. I'm just talking how many DMs I get from strangers who share their feelings, and I'm seeing a pattern that everyone who is a part of my life has the same mind challenge that I had. And so that's where it comes from. You know, that's where it comes from. So I'm not talking about anybody individually, I'm literally just trying to hit every single one of you. That's all. Cricket. You know, it's really funny. I mean, I'm talking to a phone. You guys have to understand that. I'm in this room all by myself, and I'm just talking to a phone. There's nobody here. I'm talking to a phone, and I'm like da 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 da. Does that make sense? No one talks back. Somebody here. It's just me talking to myself. So that's another challenge. Like, did I make sense? Did I get through you? Did I hear you? Like, you know? Am I annoying? Did I just like hurt someone's feelings? Like, I have no idea, right? I'm just talking because in my head, I sound like I'm motivating and inspiring others. That's what it sounds in my head of when I speak. But sometimes I know it does not come out that way for other people. Because everyone hears my words differently. So you always have to understand, I always come from a place of helping, supporting, pushing, inspiring, moving you forward along with me. Because I am in this with you. I am not perfect by any means at all whatsoever. It's a constant work in progress. Constant work in progress. So please always know that I'm always coming from a good place. So if you're on the other end screaming, she's such a bitch, that just hurt my feelings, I'm sorry. That is never my intent. So just always know that, okay? All right, let's stretch. And the fact that there's still 17 of you, I appreciate that very, very much. All right, stretch your shoulders. A couple of people messaged me today asking for more accountability, and of course I want to give more accountability, but I don't know what that looks like for everybody, you know? So like, I'm only one person. I can only coach a certain amount of people. I can only devote my time to a certain amount of people because there's over 300 people. Eventually, I'd like to keep, you know, grow my business and inspire more people, and it'll be more people. So if somebody needs more accountability, and I might not be that person for you, like what if I'm too much for somebody? My idea of Eat Your Way to Fit is a community of us women to come together. So like, you guys can also partner up together in a group, which is the most beautiful thing. Because I know, like, I worked out with my husband yesterday. My husband worked out with me yesterday. My husband worked out with me on Friday, and he couldn't keep up with my workout. And yesterday he's like, wow, you are really fit. And I'm like, what? Excuse me? What? No, I'm not. Like, no, I'm not. And he's like, yeah, you are. And I'm like, no, I'm not. And he's like, I can't keep up with your workout. So maybe there's other people who can't keep up with your workout. And then I tell him like, yeah, I've asked if I need to slow it down, if I'm going too fast, like, you know, there has to be communication. And then some people say, no, keep going, you're doing great, and other people say something else. So every single one of us is on a different level, right? And so it would be awesome to partner up with other people who are on the same level. Because I'm alone here. I'm alone here, right? And so I want to push you forward, right? So that's, you know, I'm always in my head. Always in my head, thinking of you, always in my head. So maybe that's something, I don't know if I need to do a post or create a video. I know we have to Zoom. My GoPro thing is not working. Trust me, as soon as I get out of this hotel, I promise I will do Zoom. I think I might have to get a new camera. I was thinking maybe I should just get a web camera. That thing's $100. Like, I think of how to help you every single day. That's all that's in my head. And it is so challenging to figure out because I'm not inside your body and I'm not inside your head. I'm inside my head and I can only do what I can do. Like, for example, I started thinking all this political stuff that's going on in the world. Why is all this going on? It's because one person, Bob, whatever, I'm making this up, Bob thought it would be a good idea to wear masks, okay? That was Bob's thoughts. That's Bob's education. That's Bob's feelings and Bob's mind. And Bob says we should wear masks because of this experience that Bob has. It's just Bob. Bob is Bob. And I'm Karina. And Bob only knows what he knows, and he doesn't know the world, right? And Karina knows Karina. And so Karina just thinks, well, what else can I do for person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Right? I don't, because the person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 isn't in my room here collaborating with me or talking. Okay? Does that make sense? So if there's something, if you have an idea, a suggestion, I have a suggestion box. Can you please leave your suggestions in this box? All right, because this is day 1 of a new group, and so I want to make sure everyone is successful. All right? Shake. All right.